about that bouncing? I feel it in the rear. You still got your rear load control arms yet? It's just low end. I think he gave me a performance clutch.
He said it's still
Cause bro, or this is just how I should feel, but like bro, when I drive low RPM, it do like kind of grind. But I might need a tune. I might need a tune.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
You know, tune it back to like street regulation. You get what I'm saying?
What you just said is one of the most insanely idiotic things I have ever heard. At no point in your rambling, incoherent response were you even close to anything that could be considered a rational thought. Everyone in this room is now dumber for having listened to it. I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
Why they behind me? I know.
You got the boys. Look at your rear view so they can see it. Or your side mirror. On this side mirror right here.
I ain't doing shit.
I don't look at this mirror right here though.
There ain't shit in there.
You got the boys right there. They chilling behind us.
Tell me if you can see it through that mirror.
So that shit legal. Cut on your blinker to your left to see what he do. I knew he's gonna try to freaky cut off the car though.
Hey, you got your driver's license, registration, insurance, what?
How you doing, sir?
Yeah, let me get your ID also, young man.
What you need my ID for, man?
Get your driver's license registration on your
Oh yeah, we just got flick. We just got
lane
flick.
change and obstructive vision. You asked me what you got pulled over for, right?
Obstructive vision, right?
I said improper lane change and obstructive vision.
Cause of this?
When you and that tan Toyota cross paths, y'all both then the signal when you cross.
Got you.
And an obstructive vision.
Okay. So yeah, we just got pulled over. The Mustang, he wasn't really doing nothing. He just got pulled over for not signaling and obstructive vision. Because of this, I believe so. So I guess he's fishing. Yes sir, but when I asked why do I need some ID?
Because you're in the car and I asked for it.
In the car?
You have it, yes or no?
Yeah, I do, but is that legal?
You say no, you don't want to give it to me, you don't got to give it to me.
Okay, no sir.
You said no?
No sir.
Okay.
Will anything happen if I don't give you my ID? Well, no
But
sir.
Let me explain to you. Why we ask is this is not saying that you're a bad person, but this is how we catch bad people. You know what I mean?
I get you. But I'm just
mind to stop. So you don't gotta give it to me, but that's why we ask.
Got you.
All right. How's your record, Stone? 20. Okay. How old are you? So you 20. All right. Go ahead, relax.
No, we was coming to go grab the oh yeah, we need the vacuum, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, we was go grab the van, I guess. Or just grab some equipment. I guess that's why he got you for obstructive view. What? That. Oh. So I guess that's the reason why they stopped him. My boy is, man. Just cruising in the stain, man. Damn. I ain't showing you. I don't have to show you a goddamn thing. He just fishing, bro. No cops really pull you over for that shit. And especially obstructive view.
Yeah, just pay attention when you switch lanes, especially y'all both cross at the same time. Alright? Hey, I don't care, nobody care if you record both, but don't
got you.
doing it in and out the car. Know what I mean?
Got
If
you.
you go record, just record.
Got you.
Just keep your hands inside. Just for our curiosity, you know what I mean?
Got you.
Alright, y'all enjoy the rest of the day.
How you too, man?
Plenty of space ahead of me, boy.
I know, I'm scared though.
I think I'm falling for you.